Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and welcome. And Dashing Diva had a sale, so of course when they have a good sale, I've got to go. And these were $5 each. These are the press-on nails that I love. It usually comes in some sort of a pink bag, and this is what it came in this time. And sometimes they have names on the packages, and sometimes they don't. So I printed my email. I don't know. I can't always tell. Can't always tell if I will remember what name goes with what though. So let's see what I got. 1, 2, 4, 6. I got 7 sets. They were $5 each. And because I am a member, I'm an affiliate for Dashing Diva. So I do have a link for you below. If you want to buy anything from Dashing Diva and you use my link, you'll get the same pricing whether you use my link or not. But I get a little bit of something for it. So that's helpful to me, you know, because I send out so many things in, giveaways and all my postage. It helps very little bit, but it's nice. So I appreciate anybody that buys under my link. When you join Dashing Diva, I forget what it's called. I should know this, but it's called Divas, I think. The Divas Rewards Program. And I had some reward money, so I saved $10 on that. So I really only spent $25. And if you spend just $15, which would usually be 2 packages of nails, you get free shipping. I'm really not sure how they have continued to do that. So that may change. So, you know, don't, that's just usually shipping, you have to buy more to get free shipping. But let's see what I got. Because I did pick, all that I picked was from the sale. And I got some short ones and I got some long ones. So let me see what I have. I'm trying to, all right, let's see. I got this pair. These are really nice. These are short. Let me see if I can find them. Let me show them to you. They're really pretty. Whoops. There's a glare, even though I tried to turn that down some. So I always get the press-on nails. They do have, you know, the stickers. They have some other ones that are more like glazed, and you put them under a little thing that heats them up or something. I haven't tried all that stuff. Too fancy for me. And I can't really use the stickers because a lot of getting the stickers off means using nail polish remover, and I'm allergic to nail polish remover. These are very beautiful. They are Comet Crater. So I don't have any nails on right now because I'm going to pick a package and I'm going to put them on for you. This is like a coffee colored, maybe a little bit up here. These have a pretty print to them. And then these are a little bit mauvey. Can you see that? And then there's different sizes for different, you know, for your thumbs and whatever. So there's 30 nails in each package, so you can get at least 2 manicures out of each package. So, you know, it'll be, you can't really get 3 because there's not exactly, you know, 3 of each size, because there's different sizes so that you can fit them to you. So, but you can, you can trim things, you can shape things, you can do things like that. I usually get 2 manicures, or what I'll do sometimes is I'll keep them on for a couple of weeks, and then, you know, you lose one, you put one on, you lose one, you put one on, like that, and end up using them that way. So this is a short set, so I'll probably put that into my treasure trove giveaway, because y'all have told me before that you like the short nails. So then we have cotton candy. These I thought were just so super cute. And these are short also. Look how cute these are, y'all. So these are pink. These have a gradient thing going on with a hot pink. And then these have sparkle. So, and I'm not sure if the sale is still going on, but it's always worth looking. And they have sales often. So if you missed out this time, no worries, because you can always catch a sale quickly. And then I have the Cheetah Charm. I really thought these were so cute, and I couldn't believe these were just $5 because I think these are pretty new of a color. Up here, there are 2 colors on that. First, there's a sticker in the way there, but there's like a cream and then a light beige pink, and then down here a mauve beigey, and then the cheetah print. And I got 2 of those. These are mediums, so probably one will go into the treasure trove giveaway. And I may put these on and show you at the end. Then I have the California Canyon. California Canyon. Now that actually says it on this package. Like I said, hardly any packages say the name. But these are really cute too. These are medium, and these are an opaque, and then they have yellow or pink and or white tips to them, and, you know, splattered on them a little bit here and there. Just something different, and maybe, you know, something to wear in the springtime, or heck, if you're feeling bad in the winter, you might put something like this on. It might cheer you up. That's what I do sometimes with my nails, is put on something, you know, that'll cheer me up. And then I have the citrine chakra, and I've had these before, and they're absolutely beautiful. A lot of times they are prettier when they're on than they are in the package, and that's what I feel about this set, because I wasn't sure about this set, but I put it on and I just loved it. So there are these opaque with the glittery on it, and then these pretty salmon colored, and then this orangey. Very, very beautiful on. Very, very beautiful on. And then my last set that I got, this is called Go Go Glitter. And these I think are pink. You know, it's sort of, sometimes it's hard to tell with the lighting, and also based on what you're wearing. Sometimes the coloring of your clothes will bring out colors. But that's them. Maybe it isn't. Maybe it's more of a cream color. But there's the cream, you know, the solid colors, and then there's a gold glitter. So I'm going to, what I'm going to do, let me open this up and show you. This is the one I'm going to put on now, okay? There is a tab on the side that you have to peel off. I don't know why I'm always missing. Whoops, I'm always missing something. I go to, here it is. There's a little tab that you have to peel off, and I always use a tweezer. You have to peel this off to open it, okay? And then I just pull that off, and then you could open it, and then there are your nails. And what I do is I take the tray out. There's more in here. And also what's in here is this package. So what you want to do with this package, first of all, you want to cut your nails and file them, which I have already done. And then you want to take this little packet and open it up, and there's everything you need is right here in this container, which is really nice. Just getting this open, and then, all right, so you have in here, in little instructions, a little Magic Press instruction booklet. And you have a little prep pad. This is a little alcohol pad. So I'll use this to clean my nails. And then there is a little orange stick to push down your cuticles, and a little file to work with. So I will come back and show you what, and I will put these on, show you what they look like. So these are on, except for this one. I wanted to show you how easy it is. You just will take this tab. I do have a couple of videos that show how to put these on. And if I remember, I'll put one or two in the description. And what I do is I push it down toward the cuticle, and then I press it on. And that's all I do, is just hold it down. And then don't wet your hands for an hour. So, and if you have to wash a dish or something, use gloves. And I recommend that anyway while you're wearing these, because you don't want to soak your hands in water or they'll come off. So that is this package, and there they are. And there is a choice. There was a different, most of the time there are 3 colors, if you will. Whether they're a gradient or whatever, there's this one color, and then there's a pattern in this particular one, and then there's a second color. There is a third color that is very much like this, a little bit more pink, that I could have used for that. So they didn't give very many of these. So if these were to fall off, I may have to put the pinker one on, which is fine. I just thought I'd try that this time. So there they are. And that is my Dashing Diva nails. And just, you know, when you first get them, it takes a little practice, so to speak. But, you know, I can do them now in just a very short time because I'm so used to them. I've been wearing them for well over a year. In fact, probably close to 2 years, almost the whole time I've had my channel. That's how I discovered them, was when I started my channel. I saw somebody use them, maybe on Instagram. I'm not sure that it was a YouTube video, but I really like them. And I'm allergic to nail polish remover, so the stickers don't work well for me. And I certainly can't wear nail polish because I can't get it off. So these were perfect for me, and they just make me feel good, you know, to have my nails done. And then what I do with my package that's left over, I carry them with me in case one were to fall off while I'm wearing them, whether it's a week or two. And I have my cute little bag that this was from Buffy Summers, had this made for me. It says Mary Catherine on it. It says Count Your Blessings. And the zipper, I'll show you the inside. Let me open it up all the way. She has a super cute cat print on the inside. And Buffy Summers had, one of my subscribers, she had this made for me. And then I got this cute lip, whatever you call that, charm from Ipsy. So I put that on there. And what I have in this bag, I carry this with me everywhere I go. I'll put this in. I'll put in the nail file, and I'll put in the orange stick. And then I have an extra package in case I need to use this or do anything. And then I have some extra stickers. And I put that all in here, and then I carry that with me in my purse or my bag or whatever I'm using. And then I always have it with me in case one were to fall off. I can repair, or I can replace if I lost it. And that's it, y'all. So thanks for stopping by, and count your blessings. Bye-bye.